If you are a dropshipper and you are not sure if you are going to choose Tradelle.io as your product research tool or not, you are on the right place. I will take you to a detailed, honest review about this tool, so better keep watching till the end. Before getting started, I want to mention that this review is not paid by anyone, and I'm going to share you my realistic thoughts. And the link in my description is an affiliate link that will help me if anyone chooses to sign in with it. I really appreciate it. Let's start by checking Trustpilot reviews. I find that more than 75% of customers are writing 5 stars reviews, which is pretty impressive. The only 1-star review from one user who is complaining about after the ending of his free trial, the new month started and automatically they got a monthly subscription, which I see a normal nowadays and happened in all the tools. Probably he did see that he has an option to deactivate his account and his card before the ending of the free trial, but he chooses to keep using the tool. But Tradelle team ended up refunding his money because it comes with 7-day no question asked money back guarantee. I will let you guys the chance to discover the rest of the reviews, as you can see. Now let's start going deep into this review and take a quick look on the homepage, where you will find a bunch of helpful information. More than 45,000 sellers use Tradelle, has been seen on large blogs as USA Today. Detailed product research with a huge list of winning products. Easy Shopify importation with only one click. Also automated shipment option, so when products come in, Tradelle ships them out automatically. Automatic tracking and individual sourcing, which mean that all products found on other sites can be added to the dashboard by requesting them from support team right here. Then you will see a small summary for all of these features. Tradelle guaranteed that the shipping time is less than AliExpress on all products. For this product as an example, is the maximum of 10 days. Let's scroll down and you will find some reviews and some helpful links as the blog section and the help center. On the other hand, you will notice that they are working on an online course, which is really helpful for who's just starting out with dropshipping. Probably will be launched on the next weeks or month. Let's keep scrolling and you will notice that they gained more than 1 million followers on social media and more than 275 million views, which is a very impressive numbers for a dropshipping tool, which indicates their success in delivering a huge value for dropshippers out there. Let's start by creating your account by clicking on the link below if you want to support me, or simply search for Tradelle on the search engine as you can see and click on the first link. After login, you will be redirected to the main dashboard page, which is the product picks section, where all products are handpicked by their team, backed by detailed data, and every day they publish a new one, as you can see. Let's scroll on these products, and let's go with this dancing star blush. And you will note that every product has a full page with highly detailed informations, as you can see. Let's start from the top, where you will see the product cost, the selling price, and the profit per sale. We don't have to forget the description and the product name and some images. A small section to live chat with the support team. Then the fulfillment by Tradelle, where you will get the opportunity to import the product to your Shopify store, showing the product costs, the shipping costs and time. For Germany as example, the shipping cost is around $6 and the shipping time is from 6 to 10 days. Let's change it to another country, as example the USA, the United States. As you can see, the shipping cost is a little higher and the shipping time is from 5 to 10 days. It's pretty good and clearly destroy AliExpress shipping time. I will let you the chance to log in and check the country that you are planning to dropship in. Don't forget the total price, and to import your product you just have to click on import to Shopify, connect store, and complete the connect process by adding your Shopify URL store and click on connect. Under that, you will see a section showing the seasonal interest as a graph for your winning product, a saturation indicator to see the number of stores that selling the same product, and the regional interest map. An estimated profit calculator, which is a new feature recently added to do the math and help you to calculate the profit margin targeted, price per cost ratio, and the ROS. The interested audience on social media to help you getting successful ad campaigns. Some link stores that selling the same products, and the average monthly revenue of sellers that selling the same product on Amazon. The return on investment percentage, AliExpress orders, and the Amazon price, product dimensions, and the weight. And if you're curious to see the product live, click on this button and it will take you to a YouTube research and you can see many review videos about it. But I think if they embed at least one video on this page right here will be better. And finally, some Amazon reviews and a list of possible influencers to promote your product or your store, and a suggestion of other products. Let's check the current trends section where you find the trend of products with higher attention right now. Let's take a look for this one example. Almost same as before, all information needed with high details, but this time we have a new section as you can see right here under the name of products, complement and upsales, which are products that have high chance to get sold with the main one as upsale. Checking the fulfillment of products where you will see all possible products to sell through their service, but this time with less data. As you can see, the instruction page where you will see all information you need to successfully connect your Shopify store and start importing products. And you will find those products on this page, imported products. And that's it guys, I hope this review was helpful, and for my side I would like to rate this as a 10 of 10 because it saves you a lot of time and money to make research alone, and it's all in one place with realistic details, easily to import products and automated fast shipping, not as many other product research tools. Let me know what you think on the comment section.